Because I went to a conference that they are rapping. I said, what is rapping? But we have got our own indigenous rapping. So I said, may I show you how to rap in the indigenous way? They said, oh, yes. Then I recited it for them. They were playing it when I came. Some of these products are indigenous. Like the song they said I am the one who composed it. No, I didn't compose it. We used to sing it as children. We used to recite those poems as children, play rhythms. But these people in Kampala here, drunk with intoxicated with foreign ideas, they had never heard of those indigenous things. So I brought it up. Because I went to a conference that they are rapping. I said, what is rapping? But we have got our own indigenous rapping. So I said, may I show you how to rap in the indigenous way? They said, oh, yes. Then I recited it for them. They were playing it when I came. You see, I've been telling my people that Africa did not lag behind because we lacked dancers and music. We had those in plenty, but we lagged behind in science and technology. So whatever we do, please, science must be at the core of whatever we are doing. Africa has tremendous cultural and technological potential, which can be greatly enhanced through copyright protection. In this corona, our scientists, many of whom are from the traditional societies, but got modern education, have been able to bring those traditional knowledge and bring it to our attention. And it seems to be working. We are still compiling the data, but it seems they may make a very big contribution to the pathogenic industry, the industry of dealing with diseases. Is that all human beings started here in Africa 4.5 million years ago. There were no other human beings in other parts of the world. All those people you see, Europeans, Chinese, what? All those are former Africans. They all started here. So people who have been here for 4.5 million years have got a lot of knowledge. But the mistake was, in the colonial times, to suppress that knowledge. I grew up to the age of 8. I had never used medicine of the hospitals. I was using our medicine, and I'm here. So please, here in Uganda, at least people have woken up. They are really taking advantage of our heritage. Research into traditional medicine is particularly important in Africa in making good use of our naturally and richly endowed environment. Countries in Africa, Asia, and Latin America use traditional medicine to help meet some of their primary health care needs. The age-old cures that kept our forefathers disease-free must be given enough attention so to improve on them and preserve their use. One of our products, Covidex, which one of our people brought out recently, has been tried among some COVID patients, and most of them have fully recovered. Although the economic philosophy behind copyright protection is to encourage individual effort, there is still limited awareness of its importance. As a result, the rights holders do not profitably gain from their innovations. Therefore, this conference will help the ARIPO member states to build a positive attitude towards copyrights, appreciate the benefits of copyright protection, and develop stringent enforcement mechanisms to protect intellectual property to aid sustainable growth of creative industries in Africa. 2 points. We were having a debate here among our scientists. A scientist either brings forward an indigenous, traditionally used product and brings it to our modern knowledge by using the facilities of the universities here. Then a debate starts. That product does not belong to this individual. It belongs to the university because he used our laboratory. I have been engaged in that debate, and I have supported the scientists. The scientist, the one who brings it out, should be the one to take priority. And then you can add the others, the university, the what. Because if the laboratory had stayed there without somebody using it, how would we have benefited? The initiator must be the primary actor. That's one point which I think when we are dealing with these issues of who did what, for me that would be my recommendation. So my opinion is that the scientist who takes the lead must be recognized. But secondly, I keep telling my people here that you see me here, I'm now going to be 77 years old in September. But I don't eat any European food, any Indian food, no. I only eat African food. And it's very good food. But you can imagine people have abandoned African food, they're eating. I don't eat bread. That bread is, when I come to your countries, don't bring me bread, please. Because I'm not a European, why should I eat bread? I eat our food is here. And they are much richer. If you have got doctors among you, they will tell you that our food is here are the richest in the world in terms of food values, in terms of carbohydrates, proteins, iron. One of the cereals, millet, has got all three together: carbohydrate, protein, iron in one